Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slip knot. Slip knot is used for the beginning of many crochet projects, and this will teach you how to do it. So first we're going to take our yarn tail and we're going to wrap it around our two fingers. This will make a little loop which we will pull through our yarn that's attached to the ball. Pull that tight and that'll create your knot. Then you can put your crochet hook through and tighten both ends. The yarn that's attached to your ball will tighten the knot to your crochet hook. So now we'll try using our crochet hook to make the slip knot. So wrap around your fingers, insert the hook into the loop, pick up the string that's attached to your yarn ball, and pull both ends to make the knot. Pull the tail that's attached to your ball of yarn to tighten the knot to the crochet hook. Now you've made your slip knot using your crochet hook. Good luck and happy crocheting!